Brendan McDermid. Reuters. Traders work on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. New York Stock Exchange in New York. U.S. stocks traded in a narrow range Tuesday as technology stocks attempted to recover from their worst day in more than a month. Investors are being a little more cautious, some profit-taking going on, and also wanting to see if the president can get the Affordable Care Act repealed and enact any tax reform, said Quincy Crosby, chief market strategist at Prudential Financial. But, she said, investors may show little conviction on stocks until earnings season. Stocks briefly turned negative in late morning trade. As of 12:40 p.m. Eastern Time, the Dow Jones Industrial Average traded about half a point higher, after posting 3 straight days of losses. Information technology rose about 0.25% to lead S&P 500 advancers, while material stocks were among the greatest decliners. On Monday, technology stocks fell more than 1% in their worst day since August 17. The small-cap Russell 2000 hit a record high for the first time since July. "We got a little bump in the open after 3 down days on the Dow," said J.J. Kinahan, chief strategist at TD Ameritrade. DJI S&P 500. Nasdaq Fed Chair Janet Yellen said in a speech Tuesday that the Fed may have overstated the labor market's strength and rate of inflation, indicating future monetary policy will be more accommodative than previously thought. However, Yellen said the case for a gradual pace of adjustments has strengthened in the face of significant uncertainties, and that the Fed should be wary of moving too gradually. The U.S. 2-year Treasury yield hit a high of 1.456%, its highest level since November 5, 2008. The U.S. 10-year yield traded near 2.24%. The U.S. dollar index hit a high of 93.286, its highest level since August 31. The euro traded near $1.1801. Cleveland Fed President Loretta Mester, Chicago Fed President Charles Evans, Fed Governor Lael Brainard and Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic are scheduled to speak Tuesday as well. In economic news, consumer confidence for September fell to 119.8 from 120.4 in August. New home sales fell 3.4% in August, versus expectations for a gain. The SP CoreLogic Cases Hiller U.S. National Home Price NSA Index, covering all 9 U.S. Census divisions, reported a 5.9% annual gain in July, up from 5.8% the previous month, and better than the 5.7% expected by economists polled by Reuters. Oil prices edged off multi-month highs hit Monday. U.S. crude traded just below $52 a barrel. Gold futures fell 0.8% to $1,301 an ounce.